Today I'll show you how to achieve a tender, juicy turkey just in time for the holidays.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First up, we'll remove the giblets. The neck sits in the cavity and the rest lives in a pouch at the far end. Save those for the gravy later. Be sure to rinse the turkey thoroughly under cold water, then pat it dry. Set the turkey on a sheet pan with paper towels underneath so it can drain while we prep the aromatics. Now for the aromatics. Cut one onion in half, then each half into thirds and thirds again. Grab 3 to 4 celery sticks and chop them into about this size. Peel 2 to 3 carrots and chop them the same way. You'll also need half a lemon. Now cut a bush of parsley and then toss all these veggies into a bowl. Cut another handful of parsley to chop finely, about a tablespoon in total. Add 3 whole garlic cloves to your veggie bowl and set aside for later. Next, you'll need thyme, rosemary, and sage. My store had them bundled together, so I'll chop a little of each. You'll also need to mince 2 garlic cloves. In a bowl, soften 2 sticks of unsalted butter. If you need to soften, you can microwave it in 10-second increments until it's soft, but not melted. To the butter, add your chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon rosemary, 1 tablespoon sage, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Stir until you got a fragrant herb butter. Then set aside. Grab 1 sprig of thyme, rosemary, 1 sage leaf, tie together and place it in your veggie bowl. I mixed the spice blend with 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of paprika for color. I prefer adding salt and pepper separately for more control, but if you prefer, you can skip the blend altogether and just season with the salt and pepper. It's just as delicious. Now again, pat the turkey dry, including the inside. This helps the butter and rub stick and the skin crisp up. Next, insert your fingers and hand to separate the skin from the meat without tearing it. Be gentle. Tuck a bit of herb butter in there and massage it to help spread it under the skin. Massaging herb butter over the outside skin also helps it brown beautifully. Treat the turkey like it's part of the family. Spoil it with love. Flip turkey on its side and remove the paper towels before adding herb butter to the bottom of your turkey. And be sure to get some in the inside. Now we'll sprinkle the spice blend all over, then finish it with salt and pepper. If you had any herb butter left, save it. I'm just adding an extra 2 tablespoons to my bowl and melting it for 30 seconds to inject it into the bird. Whatever you have left works. Grab your bowl of veggies and tied herbs and stuff your turkey with them. Just be sure to save a few veggies for your gravy later. Close the legs by bringing the flap over or tying them with kitchen twine. Here's my secret for extra tender turkey: Reynolds turkey bags. Make sure they're labeled turkey versus just oven bags. They're bigger. Add 1 tablespoon of flour to the bag and shake it around to prevent it from bursting and prevent the bag from sticking to the turkey. I typically like a little celery, carrot, and onion at the bottom of the bag. It makes for tasty drippings and gravy. Place the turkey inside, then loosely tie the bag with a special tie the bag came with. Before tying, tuck the wings in first. I realized I forgot to tuck mine after the fact, so I just left them. Make 6 small holes in the bag to let steam escape so the bag doesn't burst and the skin browns evenly. Today I'll be using my meter thermometer for accurate timing. The app guides you where to insert the probe and when to pull the turkey out. I'll drop links in the description below or in my bio if you're interested. Reynolds provides a cooking chart based on weight. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. My 15-pound bird estimate is about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Before it's done, set up your platter. I like adding lettuce around the edge, then some orange slices for color. Cranberries are a nice accent, but add them after you add the turkey so they don't roll to the center of your platter. When the turkey's done, cut the bag open and transfer the turkey to the platter. You can pour the drippings from bag into the pan for gravy later. Drape with foil and rest 20 to 30 minutes. Take a quick look before we cut in. And now we cut. Since it's just us, I'm slicing it and adding it to a disposable tray for easy storing later. Because who doesn't love leftovers, right? Look at that. Tender, juicy, and so full of flavor. So good.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.